Okay, everybody, how do you find out if your tire has a leak in it? Remember, I was getting air. Well, we've detected that it has a hole in it. So this nice gentleman here discovered it for me. And watch how he plugs this. So look at this. He's plugging it with the tire on. Look at that.
Yeah, I might need you to move your hand just real fast up because I gotta use 2 arms.
All right. Is he good or what? Is that? Wow.
Gloves off.
Look at her. Look how he fixed it. Now look at that. And the tire never came off the car. Wow. So everybody, I'm here to tell you, if you're ever in need,
I've been on a couple.
if you ever need to get your tire fixed, and you're in South Carolina, or I should say you're in Sumter, South Carolina, come to Tire Choice. Tire Choice. It is a Sunday, and my tire, I had air coming out of it, and I tell you what, this guy is magnificent, and the manager is the best. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Come to Tire Choice in Sumter, South Carolina. If you ever have an issue, and I got to take care of these guys, they took care of me. Hit that subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow. All in less than 2 minutes. Wow. All in less than 2 minutes, and meanwhile he's back on somebody else's car. You're the best. Hit that subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View. Be sure to tune in, and remember, come to Tire Choice in Sumter, South Carolina if you ever need to get a tire or anything done to your tires. Guys, I tell you what, shout out to the team at Tire Choice Auto Service here in Sumter, South Carolina. That nice young man just took a look at my tire. They close at 2 o'clock. It's 2:03 right now. I got here at like 1:45 p.m. It is a Sunday because I had a slow leak in my tire. Remember, we were looking at the air pressure and everything. You saw another video about that. Shout out to this team. If you're ever in Sumter, South Carolina, check out Tire Choice Auto Service Center. Great guys. The manager is magnificent and his team is fabulous. So I had to give them a big shout out. Tire Choice, Sumter, South Carolina. Great quality people.